Okay, so I'm going to show you how to get an adblock web browser on iOS. As far as I know, it doesn't matter what iOS version you want because it's an app in the App Store. So go ahead and click App Store, and you're going to search for Orion browser. And you're going to want to get this one by Kaji. So go ahead and install that. When it opens up, we're going to go ahead and go to these three dots because we are now in a Orion browser. These three dots, not that. We're going to go to Settings. We're going to go ahead and scroll pretty much all the way down to the bottom. We're going to see Extensions, and you're going to click On. Go ahead and close that. Then we're going to go ahead and click here. We're going to go to Extensions. We're going to click Add. And we're going to click Install from Chrome extension. It'll open the Chrome Web Store. And from here, you just want to zoom out a little bit, get to that search bar. And now you're going to install an ad blocker for this browser. So you're going to go and install uBlock Origin, the first result. You just want to scroll over to the right hand side here, and you click Add to Orion. Now this pops up here, it pretty much tells you what it's going to do. I've used the uBlock Origin for probably 5-6 years now. I've never had any issues with it. So you're going to go ahead and click Add. I'm not sure why it crashed, but we'll just go ahead and reopen Orion. And down here you see we have a 1 now. So now we have uBlock Origin. So now we have an ad blocker. So now we can just go to any website where there's going to be a bunch of ads. Test my ad block. If I can spell. And I'm typing, fat fingering things. B. Okay, it's slow. This is an old iPhone 7. Go ahead and click search. We're going to go ahead and set up a search engine. We are going to use Google. So you can already see it's working because typically up at the top here there would be sponsored ads, but you can go ahead and click on this one, canyoublockit.com. And we're going to run a quick extreme test. So if you click anywhere on these, you'll see ads. Notice a bunch of these are actually not working. Oh, it's a Rickroll. Look at that. Close that. And this is just a good way to test if ad block is actually working. Alright, thank you.